Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to install Telegram X. Telegram X is an alternative version of the popular Telegram messaging app, known for its sleek design and additional features. If you're interested in trying out Telegram X, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet. Step 2. In the search bar of the Play Store, type Telegram X and tap on the search icon or press Enter. Look for the search result that appears first and tap on the Install button next to it. Step 3. When installing Telegram X, you'll notice that it has the same Telegram icon, but the difference lies in its black or dark background. This visual distinction helps differentiate it from the original Telegram app. By following these simple steps, you can easily install Telegram X and explore its unique features and design. We hope you found this full guide helpful in learning how to install Telegram X. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Telegram X